So hi, how's your day? In this video, I'd like to show you another nuishime Shibori on silk ecoprint. I really like to explore motif, explore the fabric, and of course the technique. Here I made the sketch, the pattern, trace on the paper, so I can draw it on the fabric following the pattern of the paper. Actually, I don't really like to use tracing like this. Usually I just draw it on the fabric, but yeah, I do a lot of experiment. So this is another experiment and some hack for you if you want the same print, a consistency pattern. I love the morning ambience on my hood, the bird song, the wind blows, my neighbor is farming. I cannot describe it. Thanks God, I'm here. And then here, finished stitch every line that draw before. I need to be carefully because this is fabric. This fabric is silk. I'm using a really small needle. I don't want to wrap the fabric. And for the thread, I'm using nylon thread. You can use any polyester thread to try this technique. Now I'm going to tie all the thread, make it some pattern, and yes, I need to be careful in every process. Of course, for the good result, be patient. Yeah. Open. I think it's so big.